In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Chrome not loading pages, but internet works. If Google Chrome is opening but pages are not loading properly, even though your internet connection seems to be working fine, don't worry. This is a very common issue, and in many cases, it can be fixed with a few simple checks inside Chrome and on your computer. I'm going to walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along step by step. First, go ahead and open Chrome. Once it's open, try loading the page that was giving you trouble. If the browser itself opens but the website still doesn't load, start with a quick basic fix. Try refreshing the page. Sometimes a page gets stuck while loading, and a simple refresh can force Chrome to reconnect and load the website correctly. If refreshing doesn't help, close the tab and open it again. This can clear a temporary loading error that only affects that specific tab. If you still have the same problem after that, restart your computer. A restart can fix background issues, stuck processes, or temporary system glitches that may be interfering with Chrome. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working properly. Even if your device shows that it's connected to the internet, the connection might still be unstable or too weak to load web pages correctly. Check whether other apps or websites are working. If needed, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and confirm that the connection is stable before testing Chrome again. If Chrome is still not loading pages, the next step is to clear your browsing data. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. This opens the main menu. From there, click Settings. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security. Click on that section, then select Delete Browsing Data. This is an important troubleshooting step because stored cache files or browsing data can sometimes become corrupted and prevent websites from loading normally. When the Delete Browsing Data window opens, choose the appropriate time range if needed, then remove the browsing data. After that, close Chrome completely and open it again to test whether pages are loading properly. These steps are simple, but they often solve the problem quickly. Start with the easiest fixes like refreshing, closing the tab, and restarting your computer. Then move on to checking your Wi-Fi and clearing Chrome's browsing data. If you followed everything carefully, Chrome should now be working much better and loading pages normally again.